Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. We are doing a day in the life vlog today. Thought I would pick up the camera. I am on a mission to find some velvet ribbon for my Christmas tree. I wanted to do it last year and never got around to it, but I want to try to do some bows in like a cranberry or red or something slightly more traditional, not like totally, but you know what I mean, adding in those pops. Also, I just got new sunglasses from Amazon and I lost them a couple of weeks ago, and so I had to order another pair. And I don't like buying, I love buying myself things, but like spending money when I really just don't need to. But anyway, I always go with cheapo pairs from Amazon because they either, I lose them, break them, I have a child who plays, you know, I just don't need expensive sunglasses. So I went with this style. I liked the last ones that I got, but I am determined to find them. Unless I left them in a store. I feel like they're somewhere in the house. But I just pretty much always go with this style. Gosh, they feel slightly loose. I might have to try to bend them and see. But anyway, I always just go with the black and the gold frame. They're easy. I've had 3 different pairs from this brand. Anyway, like you care about my sunglasses rant, we're gonna head over to Michael's, see what they have, and then I also possibly will hop over to TJ Maxx Home Goods and get in the festive spirit. I think I'm gonna decorate tomorrow, or at least like bring things down from storage tomorrow. Maybe I'll even do that today, depending on how much time we have. So that's where we're at. I hope you guys are doing well. It's nice to pick up the vlog camera. It feels I don't know, it feels good. Sometimes I'm in the mood to vlog, sometimes I'm not, and I feel like lately I've been wanting to do so a little bit more. And speaking of that, just thought I would put this out here in the beginning of the video. I am gonna do Vlogmas this year. I haven't done it in so long, but because I didn't do Momtober, I was like, I'm in the mood, I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year and vlog. I don't, how do people do Vlogmas anymore? Do they do every single day? Do they do like 5 days a week? I don't know. We'll just see. Whatever feels right is what I will do. Let's go to, first stop is gonna be Michael's. Cute too. Okay, this would be fun for wrapping presents. That's cute. They have a ton of ribbon. So far I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. I found this, but this is like a hot pink. So I'm looking for more burgundy. Let's check more aisles. All right, so I found these. These are buy 2, get 2 free. They're not exactly the color I'm looking for. I was looking for a little bit more of a wine, a dark color, but I'm gonna put these in my basket for now until I can shop around a little bit more. holy cow, it is freezing. It is so cold and windy today. I ended up getting the ribbon just because it was so, buy two get two free was such a good deal, and no matter what, I'm gonna use it. Even if I don't use it for the tree, I'll use it for gift wrapping. I don't know, the more that I look at the color, the more that I think I like it a lot. So I got 4 of those, and then I got something small for Sydney for Christmas. And so yeah, I think I'm in the mood to check out Home Goods, TJ Maxx. I'm staring at Panera right now, and I want it so badly. It's so expensive though. Every time I go there, I realize how expensive it is, but we will see. We will see. I've been trying to do really good about not going out for food or grabbing the coffees all the time. But I'm thinking, we'll see. It's calling my name and it's tempting me.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Spent too long in TJ Maxx, and it made it so that I didn't want to shop at Home Goods. Sometimes too much chaos is just too much chaos. So what I think I'm gonna do is decorate with what I have, figure out if there's anything that I like, any place in the house where I want to add something, and then maybe go back to Home Goods another time. I just feel like sometimes I get overwhelmed with choices, and then I need to remember what I have, colors, like, you know, all that stuff. But I did get one thing at TJ Maxx just for Sydney. It was this really cute sweater. It has these little bows on it. I did go up a size. She's growing so much, and it was really hard to tell, but it was really good quality, and it came with these cute little hair ties that have bows on them. And I just thought that would be, I mean, she'll get use out of that. Not just at Christmas time, but other times. So yeah, I just got Sydney the one thing. I am so hungry for lunch. So I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store and grab things to make myself Panera stuff at home. Because I am craving a panini. So I think I'm just gonna pop over to the grocery store and grab stuff to make some grilled sandwiches with for the week. I think that sounds delicious and a little more cost effective as well. And then head home. I feel like I spent way too much time browsing TJ Maxx. So I am cheating. I found a couple of different sandwiches that sounded good, and I'm looking at the ingredients. I can totally make these at home really quick, and then not only can I make them at home today, but I will have the ingredients to make them for the rest of the week, or for Sydney as well. I saw the garden caprese, and then I saw the chipotle chicken avocado melt. That sounds delicious. So I'm going to see what I can find for bread and cheese and things, and then we'll have kind of a late lunch. I know this is a lot more work, but I'm really trying to, I mean, I'm spending a lot for Christmas, so I'm trying not to spend a lot when I don't need to. on so much longer than expected. So I don't even know if I'm gonna have enough time to eat my sandwich now or after I pick Sydney up from school. We will probably play inside though. She's probably gonna be really bummed. It is so incredibly windy and the wind just goes right through and I am frozen. So I'm gonna make some garlic aioli. I looked up the recipe for the Panera bread veggie, toasted veggie caprese, however you want to pronounce it, sandwich, and I called for some garlic aioli, which is so easy to make. Mayo, little olive oil, lemon juice, some garlic, salt and pepper to taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep that and then prep my ingredients for the sandwich and see if I have time to at least cook it. Maybe I can eat it in the car, but I'm craving it so bad. I also picked up some ciabatta bread. I thought this was perfect to make a few sandwiches out of, or a couple at least. I want to make my own ciabatta at some point, but it's also nice to, you know, it's fine. It's fine. A lot of stuff I'm making is homemade these days. And so I feel I have this attitude whenever I go to buy something at the store. I'm like, I can make that. I can make that. I can make that. Sometimes convenience and time is also a priority. For the aioli, we have mayo. I am not on board with homemade mayonnaise as of yet. I know there's egg in store-bought mayo, and don't tell me otherwise, but I'm assuming they're degermed, meaning like pasteurized. That's just a my head I can't get over thing. Who knows? Maybe that will change, but that's where I'm at right now. We have lemon juice, a little olive oil, a little pepper, too much, whoops, a little salt, and garlic. Pretty good. Pretty good. I like my things really lemony. Some greens. It doesn't look as pretty, but it smells delicious. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna have to take this in the car with me though. It definitely could have used a couple more minutes to let the cheese melt, but I don't have the time. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I wolfed that down in like 5 minutes. I'm not proud, but it was so good. So since it is so windy and cold, I told Sydney that she could have like watch a show or a movie as a treat. Usually we only do Friday night movie nights, but Sydney is excited that I suggested it. She's all set up, yep, with her.
And then the Foxy.
Yeah, so I thought that would be special for her, and that way I don't have to go outside and be cold. I'm gonna make her a little snack of some like
chips
smashed
and guacamole.
Yeah, smashed avocado with some lime and tortilla chips as a little snack. And then, yeah, we'll just be able to be cozy, and we might play a game after as well. Yeah, couldn't decide. I need to sharpen my knives. They are getting dull.